Hello everyone! Today is a wonderful Wednesday and this is a great opportunity for us to learn how to make a haiku. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin! But before that, you're going to answer first these questions. How many syllables are there in this word? The first word is contest. Okay, starts now. Just write the letter. How many syllables are there in this word? Contest. Hmm. 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is there are 2 syllables. Alright? 2 syllables. Correct. Next. Waves. Waves. How many syllables are there in this word? Just write the letter. A, B, or C. Alright. Time is up. The correct answer is there is only 1 syllable in this word. Alright, you got it right. Let's proceed. Remember. Remember. How many syllables are in this word? Remember. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Alright. The correct answer is, alright, letter C. There are 3 syllables in this word, remember. Next. Important. Important. How many syllables are in this word? Important. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is letter C. 3 syllables. There are 3 syllables in this word, important. So, to start with, let's have our objectives for today. We have only 2. First, we're going to identify whether each poem is a haiku or a concrete poem. Number 2, let's create a haiku following the 5-7-5 syllable pattern. Okay? So, are you ready? Very good. Let's start. Question. What is a concrete poem? Do you have any idea? That's right. A concrete poem is a poem that is written to form the words into a shape or picture that matches the topic of the poem. So sometimes it is called shape poetry. Alright? Remember this. When we write a concrete poem, we form the words into a shape or picture. Like this. The title is Rainbow. Look at this. The words in this poem forms a shape of rainbow, a picture of rainbow. Look at this. How amazing it is, right? Yeah, let's read this poem. Red, sweet as honey, bitter as blood. Orange, fluttery as fall, still as a stone. Yellow, loud as a trumpet, soft as a petal, green, rough as a pine cone, smooth as a lake, blue, my color, just like the sky, indigo, bright as the moon, dark as the night, purple, weak as a flower, strong as a courage. Alright, look how amazing it is. A concrete poem, right? So, guys, we can recognize immediately a concrete poem because its words form a shape based on the topic. Alright? Based on the subject. Now, on the other hand, class, what do you mean by haiku? What is a haiku poem? Do you have any idea? Thank you. Haiku is a traditional form of Japanese poetry. Remember this, it has 3 lines only with 575 syllables. What do you mean by 575 syllables? Meaning to say, the first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables. That's why we say 575 syllables. Alright? Remember, a haiku has only 3 lines with 575 syllables. Okay? Now, let's see. This is an example of a haiku written by Patricia L. Cisco, entitled Spring's Way. Okay, let's read. Winter fights to stay. Sweet spring always wins her way. Flowers bloomed today. Okay, let's look at the first line. We say that a haiku has only 3 lines. Yes, look at this. The first line, second line, and the third line. Now, the first line has 5 syllables. Let's count. Winter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So, this is the first line. It must have 5 syllables. The second line must have 7 syllables. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Let's try. Sweet spring always wins her way. There are 7 syllables. Alright? Next, the last line. Let's count. It must have 5 syllables. Alright, let's try. Flowers bloomed today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so remember this. The first line must have 5 syllables. The second line must have 7 syllables. And the third line must have 5 syllables. Okay? Is it clear? Very good. That's how we're going to write a haiku. We must have 3 lines. The first line must have 5 syllables. Second line must have 7 syllables. And the last line will have 5 syllables. Okay? But don't forget to write the title. Okay? Is it clear? Can we write a haiku now? Can you write your own haiku? Okay, so before writing our own haiku, let's identify these poems, whether it is a concrete or a haiku. Okay? I'll give you 20 seconds to write your answers on your paper. Alright? Let's start. 20 seconds starts now. What kind of poem is this? A. Haiku. B. Concrete poem. Alright, write your answer. Try to count the syllables in the first line, second line, third line. Look at the form. Does the word form a shape? Time is up now. So, the correct answer is, this is an example of a haiku poem. The correct answer is letter A. Let's try. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 syllables. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. It is a haiku poem. Okay? Next, 20 seconds starts now. What kind of poem is this? Look at the word. What shape it forms? You see. Can you please read the poem? Oh, right. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is, this is a concrete poem. Letter B. Look at that. It forms like a crescent. A moon crescent. Okay? Now, let's proceed. What kind of poem is this? 20 seconds starts now. Is it a haiku or a concrete poem? Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Haiku poem. Okay? Next. Let's read this. What kind of poem is this? Write your answer on your paper. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Haiku poem. Okay? Now, last, we still have another one. All right. Okay. The correct answer is letter B. Correct. It is an example of a concrete poem. You see, the poem is about the butterfly, so the words form a shape of a butterfly. Very nice poem. Okay? Now, question class. Have we achieved objective number 1? Did we identify whether each poem is a haiku or a concrete poem? Oh, yes! Very good. Now, we will proceed to your homework 1 in literature. We're going to create a haiku poem. Remember this class, a haiku has 3 lines, right? Each line, the first line, have 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables. The third line must have 5 syllables. Okay? 3 lines with 5, 7, 5 syllables. So, the instruction is you're going to make your own haiku about nature. So you must be creative with your words. Alright? I am going to award to the students who will create the best haiku. Alright? Let's try. Now, everyone, go to your Google Classroom, go to classwork section, and search for the homework one in literature. Alright? In literature, create a haiku. Okay? Now, I want to remind to everyone, it is in a Google Documents, alright? Google Docs, okay? So please, it is not necessary for you to download the file. Just just encode your name online, okay? Is it clear, class? Don't forget to click return when you submit your homework. Click return to submit your homework, okay? So see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.